Situationship. Now, repeat after me. Situationship. Situationship. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning: a situationship refers to a romantic or casual relationship that hasn't been clearly defined or labeled. It often exists somewhere between friendship and a committed relationship, with a lot of emotional or physical involvement, but without the structure or expectations of an official relationship. Think of it like this. You're spending time with someone, there's chemistry, but neither of you has labeled it as dating or a committed relationship. That's a situationship. In a sentence, they've been hanging out for months, but they're in a situationship, neither wants to commit just yet. Here, situationship describes the undefined, casual nature of their relationship. Let's try another example. She's tired of the situationship and wants to know if they're moving towards something more serious. Synonyms. Some synonyms for situationship are casual relationship, a relationship that's more informal and doesn't have a clear label. Undefined relationship, a relationship without clear boundaries or commitment. Antonyms. The opposite of situationship would be committed relationship, a relationship where both people have made clear commitments to each other. Exclusive relationship, a relationship where both partners agree to only see each other romantically. Part of speech. Situationship is a noun referring to the undefined state of a romantic or casual relationship. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.